There you go, guys. Hey, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a drill, a Kobalt 24 volt Max XTR series. This was gifted to me by Lowe's Home Improvement to do a review and unboxing. I appreciate them very much for sending this over. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do get a small commission for this. If you do purchase one, there'll be a link down below in this. If you're interested in that, go right ahead. That does support my channel. I do appreciate that. Cost you nothing. All right, let's get into the video. Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a Kobalt XTR drill 24 volt max brushless drill. This is a sponsored video. Lowe's Home Improvement sent me this, basically gifted it to me to do a review and just show you a little bit about this item. So I want to thank them very much for the help sponsoring the video, and I appreciate them very much. So what this is a 24 volt max brushless. I have the original one of the old Kobalt brushless 24 volt max. This is the Kobalt XTR 24 volt max. So it's better, it's got more torque and all that kind of stuff. So let's take a quick look at the specs. This kit does come with the drill itself. It comes with the battery charger and the battery itself, this whole kit here. So what's cool about their tools, and I love all their tools, I've been using their tools for years. The tool has a 5-year warranty, and I think the battery has 3 years. We'll double check on that. Take a look at the back real quick here. Yeah, so 5-year on the tool and 3-year on the battery. So that's what that's how they do it, which is fantastic, right? So it's got 1200 inch pound torque, which is nice. I like that. Anti kickback technology and compact design, and I like the look of this, the black and the blue. That's really cool looking. At least I like that a lot. It's cool. Includes a 4 amp hour battery, clip screw. Auxiliary handle. We'll take a look at all the stuff that's included in here as well, and also the charger as well. But that's about it. All right, so that's what it says. So let's take a look inside, open this up, take a look at this together and see what's inside. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do all types of reviews, all types of technology, how-to videos, you name it, from plumbing, electrical, basic, to doesn't really matter. My job is to show you a little bit about everything so you know a little bit about something. I guess that's really what it's about. That's my channel. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm a shopping channel, I'm an information channel, and I'm an educational channel. So if you're enjoying this, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you like this type of content. I really do appreciate that. I love tools and technology. So if you want to see more of these videos, leave some comments down below. Say, yeah, more tools, more stuff like this, or whatever you want to see. Let me know. So this is how the case, this is how it comes. Let's take it out of the package. Throw that on the ground. And this is a serious case, guys. This is not a case, no fooling around case with this. This is a nice case. There's the item number right here, 1518740. That's the kit number, 24 volt max brushless. I like this really a lot. I love this look, okay? It's got 2 latches on top, as you can see here, and it is locked from the factory, away from the thing. So let's just take this right off and just snap this off here. So you know it's brand new, fresh, right from Lowe's Home Improvement, and they do appreciate them sending this to me. They gifted this to me to do a review on. So let's open this up and take a look and see what we have. Okay, so what's inside the case? So inside the case is, of course, the drill, the charger, the battery charger, and this is the extra handle grip, which is cool, easy to use. You just basically open it up like this here, grab it onto the drill. We'll go over that in a minute. Let's take this out. So this is the actual handles, extra. You get the torque. You want to be able to hold on to the drill. That's what this is for. That's really cool. I like that. Here is the battery itself. Here is the nice, fresh battery. And if you didn't see the, I did an unboxing battery that they did send me. I did a review on that. So check out that video. Check out that video. That'll be at the end of this video as well, so you can take a look at that review. This have 1 bar, so this is has a little power on it, which is fine. And we'll take that out, put that to the side. We do have the 24 volt max charger. It does tell you, indicate when it's charging. It tells you when it's fully charged by the indicators here. We'll go over that in a few minutes. Take that out, put that to the side as well. Let's see what else is here. Is the belt clip. I never used the belt clip, but maybe I will. Maybe I'll hook it up to this one, because I think I should use the belt clip. The belt clip is interesting. I like that. That's in here as well. And also they give you a little chuck, little drill bit, Kobalt branded, which is nice. You get the flat, you get the Phillips, and also it holds it as well. So it snaps in here as well, which is kind of cool. So I like that. So you can actually attach that to, keep that with the drill, keep it on you when you need that. I like that. Let's take a look at the drill itself. And I like the look of this drill. Yes, I do. Here's the clutch. All the different torque settings on the clutch right here. 22, 20, all the way down 22, all the way down to, they have fast, all kinds of cool settings. This is right here, right there. Turn it down this way. That's locks, that's this drill, I believe, right here. And then you have the different torque settings all the way down. And we'll take a look at that in a second, just double check all that. But very nice. I like the way it's got 2 speeds on the clutch here, right? You got 2 speeds, 1 and 2. So hopefully you can see that, 1 and 2. You got 2 speeds, you got the clutch, you got the lock or the drill itself, and then you have the clutch itself. So you want to have a little bit less, you know, if you're afraid you want it almost like a driver, you can use it as a driver if you want. Very nice. I love, and I like the look of this drill a lot. I really do. This is really cool. I mean, this is nice, but this looks really nice. A little bit more compact, a little bit smaller. Feels really good on the hand. Really, really nice on the hand. So let's just pull this out of the way. What else is in here? Just a little instructions. Everything's in the hard case. I mean, the hard case, I probably, you know, if you're working on the job site, yeah, you put it in a hard case, take it with you. And that makes a lot of sense, right? But if you just a home body kind of thing, keep your tools hanging around, keep the case, put it to the side, and we'll get to that later. So okay, guys, you can see I have the battery actually plugged in here, and it's actually charging. You can see it's got a green light here. So this is almost dead. So I would say it's about 2 hours to charge this fully. It'll give you a full indication when it's charged, and also be totally solid green when it's fully charged. So I like the way this looks. I did put on the clip on. Like I said, I put the clip, and it actually does hold the small little screwdriver. I mean, the little screw chuck here, or whatever I'm not sure what they even call this. This is right? What is this? Like Phillips and the standard, right? So this is a bit, right? So this holds a bit, which is nice. You can keep that in there. The actual drill itself feels really nice. I mean, I love this clutch, feels really super smooth. So if you want to use the clutch, so what do you use the clutch for? The clutch is like a driver. So you want to use it as a driver. You're driving in something sheetrock, something that you don't want to have full penetration, so you can control when it'll stop the torque, right? That's what the clutch is for. 2 different speeds, of course. And let me just take it off the charger for now. Just pop it on. Should be enough to just get it going, no problem. Pop it on here. So it does have a little LED light, which is super cool. I like that. So when you're doing something and you can't see, that gives you a full range of vision, which I like that. I like the way the battery looks on this. This thing looks awesome. Now tell me this doesn't look awesome, please. This thing is fantastic. I love this look, this two-tone cool look. The button itself, reverse and forward, right? That's slow. That's fast. Variable speed, so that's cool. Variable speed, nice. And variable speed reverse. Losing my mind. Really just amazing how this works. And I'll put it on 2. See that? See that? So that's the clutch. That's what happens. So if you don't want to drive it too deep in, it kind of stops it. And the more you crank up on the clutch, the more resistance you're going to have. It's going to push that nail in, that screw in as much as you want for a specific depth. So that's what that's for. Okay, and open this up, and then you want to just lock it. I believe that's total lock right there. That thing is cranking. 2 different speeds. So you got 2 speeds with variable control. That's cool. I like that. Really, really nice. Very well made. You can see nice and slow. Right? Go the other way. So you get full control from this drill. Really, really nice. I love the way it's made. So let's do a quick, we're going to drill. Before I do the drilling, I just wanted to show you how that works. So what do you want to do if you want to attach this? It just snaps on right here. Hopefully you can see right here. And what this does, it locks in and gives you a little extra gripping power. So all you do is take this part here and you attach it onto this piece. All right, and you hold this down and you just snug it up. Okay, snug it up so it's tight. So what that does, it gives you perfect about balance, so you don't have to worry about the torque. You can drill into something and you have a lot more stability with the drill. So if you're drilling in something serious, into some cement or something, you got extra just to hold the weight, if there's any torque, things like that. That's what this is for. Most likely you won't use it all the time. That's why it comes off and on so easy. So I like that. That's cool. And let's do some drilling with this. If you guys have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying this type of content. It means a lot to me. Let me know if you like this type of stuff. I love tools. I love all kinds of tools. Tools are awesome, and especially Kobalt brand, fantastic. Again, really nice quality. XTR is the the brand or the model, the next evolution, I guess, right? The 24 volt max is what they're using, the XTR technology, and it has really pretty much everything you want, soup to nuts, into a nice quality drill. And I love the look, and it's small, so it's got that compact driver look to it, but it's still got the drill flexibility, right? So I like a lot. So here's the old one here. I'll show you the old one. So here's the old one, here's the new one, right? As you can see, just so much better looking and beefier and just stronger, and I just love that. I'm going to get a quick weight of this new drill with the battery on. Let's get a quick weight of it right here. So this puppy weighs, with the drill and the battery, 4 pounds, 12 ounces, 0.7. So 4 pounds, 12 ounces, 0.7. That's what this weighs with the battery, just so you know exactly what it weighs. So important to know what these things weigh. Again, 4 pounds, 12.7. That's what it weighs. I have just a plain piece of 2x4. Have a 1/2 inch drill on here. This will drill a 1/2 inch hole, basically. So let's just see how it works. I'm gonna put it on. That's fast. That's slow. Let's put it on slow and just see how we do with the drilling with this. So sometimes you want to go slow. You want a little bit more control. You don't want to go crazy. You just want to make sure it's going through the way you want it to go through. So let's just do it slow. Okay, so now you get a good start, and if you want to crank it up, go to second speed if you want to. Okay, now I see how that's like that, the clutch. So that's because it was on 12, so it had some resistance, all right? So we want to crank this all the way up to lock. I believe that locks it. That'll get the full speed and full control of the drill to go right through this piece of wood without stopping it. Just like that. That went through like butter. Look at that. That's crazy. All right, so there you go. There's a full speed, and you can control then you can just control the clutch. Fantastic. I love this drill. This thing, that's a huge bit there. It's shot work of that piece of wood, as you can see here. Let's just drop this over here. I want you to see. There you go. Just like that. All right, guys, if you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. I want to again thank Lowe's Home Improvement for sending me this drill, this kit. And it's absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love it. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. And actually, if you have any questions or any comments, leave down below. Let me know. I work on the workbench all the time. So if you want to see some different tools, different reviews, let me know. Don't forget to comment. It means a lot to me. As you know, I got to charge up this sucker. Use this puppy all the time. I absolutely love it. I love the quality and I love the build. And it feels super sturdy on the hands. And that's what I like about this drill. Excellent, excellent quality. Appreciate it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, again, if you're new to my channel, I appreciate that. There'll be a link down below in this video as well for this actual product. So take a look at the product link right there. Also, there'll be a product over here link. Go right ahead and purchase it if you're interested. I do get a small commission just to be transparent and honest. Everything I do, I do get a small commission. It just helps support my channel and costs you nothing.